Factors that affect stress and how acupuncture helps. Stress is a universal experience influenced by various factors. Understanding these can help manage it effectively. Here are 5 key contributors. Work environment. High demands, tight deadlines, and poor relationships with colleagues can elevate stress levels. A chaotic work atmosphere can lead to burnout and anxiety. Lifestyle choices. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and inadequate sleep significantly impact stress. A sedentary lifestyle and unhealthy eating habits can increase cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone 3. Social relationships. Supportive relationships can mitigate stress, while conflict with family or friends can amplify it. Loneliness and lack of social support are common stressors. Financial concerns. Economic instability and financial pressures can create chronic stress. Worrying about debts or job security can lead to constant anxiety. Health issues. Chronic illnesses or ongoing health problems can be significant stressors. The worry about health and the physical limitations they impose can weigh heavily on mental well-being. How acupuncture helps. Acupuncture, a traditional Chinese medicine practice, offers a holistic approach to managing stress. By targeting specific points on the body, acupuncture can stimulate the release of endorphins, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. It helps balance the body's energy, improving overall mood and mental clarity. Regular sessions can enhance coping mechanisms, providing a valuable tool in stress management. As stress continues to be a prevalent issue, integrating acupuncture into wellness routines may offer significant relief.